Hey, I'm Dr. Jason with Inspired Medical. A lot of our patients initially come to us very frustrated because they've tried the diets, they've tried the protocols, and they've definitely tried the injections, but the weight just keeps coming back. But rather than me telling you the Inspired difference, I'd rather you hear it from our patients.
My name is Trent. What brought me here was the inability to lose weight, the lack of zeal in life, and looking for, after getting a certain age, things slow down, things don't work as good as they used to, so I came here for help. Some of the symptoms I was dealing with before I came here was just being drained all day long, not having the energy to last all day, not being able to feel good or feel positive. And it was to do a lot with my testosterone levels. The biggest change I noticed when I worked with Zach doing all the hormones was strength, was muscle, was, hey, I used to work out all the time in high school. And once high school was over and football was over, I kept the same food regimen, but I didn't do the same workout regimen. I didn't realize I still had a lot of that muscle from back in the day, and it came back very quickly. When they addressed this issue, my weight loss really started to kick into gear. It was more of a steady, more of a predictable kind of weight loss if I stuck with my daily regimen of what I needed to eat and what I didn't need to eat. I recommend it to everybody. It's something that has come off my lips several times because people have noticed a change in me over the last few years. And these great folks here get all the credit in the world because they were the ones that helped me, basically reshape the way I physically am, mentally am, and, my outlook on life.